Mr. Orumkal Eke is my constituent, and he made a call to me, and he told me that there's a conflict between the new job he's doing and what he's going to be. He told me that it will be a conflict between the job he's doing now and the central bank, sitting in the central bank, because he's a consultant to the World Bank, to some businesses, private and government. So he informed the governor of central bank that he might be declined not to do the job.
Nigerian Central Bank Director-Nominee from Southeast rejects Tinubu appointment. Today is February 29, 2024. Orumkal Eke, nominated from the Southeast region of the country to be a member of the Central Bank of Nigeria CBN Board of Directors, has rejected his offer. Eke, during the Thursday plenary when the Senate began the process for the confirmation of the nominee, said that he was currently engaged in the World Bank. President Bola Tinubu had on February 13 forwarded Eke and 4 other nominees to the Senate for confirmation as members of the Apex Bank Board. However, during the confirmation, former governor of Abia State, Senator Orji Kano, representing Abia North Senatorial District, told the Senate that the person who is in his constituent had called him on the phone to reject the offer, noting that it will conflict with his present job as a consultant with the World Bank.
I rise again to move for the consideration and approval of the report of the Senate Committee on Banking, Insurance and Other Financial Institutions on the screening of 5 nominees of Mr. President for confirmation of appointment as members of the Board of Directors for the Central Bank of Nigeria. Introduction. The Senate at its sitting on Tuesday, 13th February 2024, considered the request of Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federation for the confirmation of appointments of 5 nominations for appointment as Board of Directors of the Central Bank of Nigeria, and referred same to the Committee on Banking, Insurance and Other Financial Institutions for further legislative action. The request for confirmation of the nominations for the appointment of the underlisted nominees as Board of Directors of the Central Bank was made in pursuant to the provisions of sections 6, 1 and 2, D and 10 of the Central Bank of Nigerian Act 2007, and the nominees are as follows: Mr. Robert Agbede as Director, Mr. Ado Yakubu Wanka as Director, Professor Muritala Sabo Sagagi as Director, Orumkal Eke as Director, and Mrs. Muslimot Olanikon Aliyu as Director. In furtherance of this legislative mandate, the committee requested for and received the curriculum vitae, security clearance, and other relevant documents of the nominees, and invited them to appear before the committee for screening. 4 of the 5 nominees appeared before the committee and were accordingly screened and on the available information as follows. So you have the resumes of all of the nominees from page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On page 9, note 6.0, non-appearance of Mr. Orumkal Eke. Mr. Orumkal Eke is one of the nominees for the consideration for the appointment as a member of the Board of Directors of the Central Bank of Nigeria, was not present for the screening. On note 10.7, interaction with the nominees. 4 of the nominees appeared out of the 5, and they were screened by the screening exercise, and were asked a wide range of questions regarding monetary and price stability and all of the mandates of the CBN. They demonstrated a good knowledge and understanding of the intricacies of the economy and exhibited a comprehensive grasp of economic principles. Findings on note 8, page 10. At the end of the screening exercise of the nominees, the committee's findings were as follows. 1. that the appointments are in accordance with the provisions of Section 612D and Section 10 of the CBN Act 2007. 2, that the recommendation of the nominees are in tandem with the provisions of Section 10 of the Act, which provides that the President, in appointing the nominees, shall have due regard to a fair representation of the financial, agricultural, and industrial and commercial interests and the principle of federal character. 3, that the nominees' performance during the screening exercise is indicative of their qualifications and suitability for the responsibilities associated with the position of a member of the Board of Directors of CBN. 4, that the nominees possess the expertise, knowledge, and professional experiences to be members of the Board of the CBN. 5, that the committee did not receive any petition against their nominations for appointment as members of the board. 6, that the nominees have been cleared by the Nigerian Police Force, DSS, and possess the Code of Conduct acknowledgement slips. Recommendations. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, the Committee on Banking, Insurance, and Other Financial Institutions, after robust engagement with the nominees and being satisfied with their experiences, performances, and academic qualifications, hereby recommend as follows: that the Senate do confirm the nomination of all the underlisted as members of the Board of Directors for the Central Bank, as members of the Board of Directors of Central Bank. 1, Mr. Robert Agbede. 2, Mr. Ado Yakubu Wanka. 3, Professor Muritala Sabo Sagagi. 4, Mrs. Muslimat Olanike Aliyu, all as directors. However, in view of the non-appearance of Mr. Urom Kalu Eke for screening for confirmation for appointment as a member of the Board of Directors of the CBN, the committee cannot recommend him for appointment as a member of the Board of the Directors of CBN. Conclusion. The committee wishes to sincerely express its appreciation to the Senate for the opportunity to serve in this capacity.
Thank you. Any comment? Senator Ojikalu. You can go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. President. In supporting my chairman, I'm also a member of the committee. And the Orum Kaleke is my constituent.
The Chief Whip Emeritus, you churn out this report. The report is your own. So what do you want to say about it again? It's your report. You put it together. So, okay.
Mr. Orum Kaleke is my constituent, and he made a call to me, and he told me that there's a conflict between the new job he's doing and what he's going to be. He told me that it will be a conflict between the job he's doing now and the central bank, sitting in the central bank, because he's a consultant to the World Bank, to some businesses, private and government. So he informed the governor of Central Bank that he might be declined not to do the job. So this is the reason it did not come. So I support the 4 candidates nominated by Mr. President because they are very credible people. They are people of high reputation. Nigerians and the Central Bank needs them at this moment of our economy. So I support that the Senate should go ahead and confirm them without any wasting of time. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Chief Whip Emeritus, for giving us the reason why the gentleman did not turn up. So we are now abreast with the facts. Any other comment? The Leader of Senate.
Thank you, Mr. President. Very distinguished colleagues.